Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to change app icons on Samsung. So as you can see, this is my default app icons, and now I will show you how to get attractive app icons. First of all, tap and hold on your Samsung home screen. Now tap on themes, and you will directly jump into Galaxy Theme Store. Here, tap on icons, and here select top, and here you will get lots of free icons template. As you can see, these all are totally free. You can select any app icon to apply in your app library. So let's select this app icon, and now just tap on download, and once it's downloaded, just tap on apply. And here, as you can see, my app icons successfully changed. Now let's select another app icons. The same way, I'm tapping and holding on my iPhone home screen, tapping on themes, selecting icons, top, and I'm selecting these icon now. Download, and tapping on apply. And as you can see, my app icon updated. Now, if you want to get back your default app icons, here's how to do it. Tap and hold on your home screen and go to theme section. And now tap on menu at the bottom right. And here tap on my stuff and select icons. And here select default, tap on apply to restore your default app icons. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.